Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the paper weight and finish before any treatment. Light papers like newsprint react differently than card stock. Test a tiny hidden area first for 30 seconds at room temperature to confirm safety. Gather 70% isopropyl alcohol, a plastic scraper, cotton swabs, and blotting paper. Work on a clean, flat surface with good light and ventilation. Keep a timer and moisture-free towels ready for quick cleanup. Dab 1 cotton swab with 1 teaspoon of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Blot off excess so the swab is damp but not dripping. Apply the solvent sparingly to the glue for 15 to 30 seconds at a time. Work from the sticker edge inward using gentle pressure and small circular motions. Replace swabs as they pick up adhesive to avoid spreading residue. Pause between applications to check the paper for softening or discoloration. Gently lift softened adhesive with a plastic scraper held at a low angle. Work slowly and stop if fibers start to lift or curl. Blot remaining dampness with clean blotting paper after each lift to absorb dissolved glue. Allow the paper to air dry flat for 20 minutes to stabilize fibers. If residue persists, repeat targeted solvent application and gentle scraping one more time. Store the treated paper flat under weight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.